Hey there traders, hope you guys are all well, hope you're having a brilliant week. I certainly am. I caught this beautiful trade here yesterday on AUD USD on the 15-minute time frame. I think it was on Tuesday I showed you guys that recording where I just missed out on that trade. So finally this week, okay, today's Thursday, I got this beautiful trade and now my whole week is done just through one trade. Managed to catch about 3.5 grand on this trade. So I just want to walk you guys through the setup. But first of all, guys, if you find value in my videos and you enjoy my trading content, please subscribe. Please also like the videos, click on your notifications bell as well. All the links to me, if you want to chat to me directly, I've got a Telegram link down below. If you are interested in any of the programs that I offer, I also offer one-on-one coaching now. If you are struggling with your trading and you need help, please start chatting to me on Telegram. Okay guys, so the first thing that I teach in my program and in general on my channel is to not trade during news. So there was news, major retail, major 3-star news, retail sales. So about 45 minutes to an hour after the news, I looked to take a trade. Okay, I did not take this trade because I knew that news was coming up. As you can see later on today, this is why it's very important to have the news events on your chart, because later on today at 2:30 in the morning, okay, we are getting major red news, which will bring this volatility. Okay, you don't want to be trading then because then the market becomes too risky. So you can see at the bottom here, currently it's almost 12 o'clock. So in 2.5 hours there will be news. You can see all of this tells you exactly when the news is coming out and all the future events. They're all lined up on my chart. So this is one of the main things that I implement before taking a trade. Alright, so with the system here, you can see it gives you these signals to buy and sell. There's a sell signal, there's a sell up there, there's a buy there. Okay, so it's a very simple system to use, beginner friendly. So advanced traders, if you're struggling, this is a brilliant system. You got to learn to simplify things and go back to the basics. So it gave us a signal here. I also teach to use this indicator down here, which is a second confirmation. So this gave us the second confirmation here. Okay, the next confirmation was this candle right here after the signal, which was our confirmation candle, which is the bullish engulfing. All of that price action is taught in depth in the mentorship in the program. So we get that, okay, and as you can see over here, I got in around here. So we wait for a pullback. After we get our confirmation candle, we get a pullback so that we can enter at a lower price, at a better price, and also reduce our risk more. So if we entered up here, you can see it would have been a waste of time because the market dropped back. Okay, and then our stop loss would have had to be super wide. So what I teach is to wait for pullback. So you can see over here, price pulled back. Now we can actually trade with a smaller stop loss. So my stop loss was around 10.5 pips. And I was targeting a 1 to 3, but I closed at a 1 to 2. Why is that? Because the market was slowing down and the session was just about to close. Okay, so those were the basics of the actual strategy of the system that I use. The beauty about this as well is you can see right now the market is pretty much consolidating and ranging. So this, with my main strategy, it only gives it'll only give you signals when it gets that confirmation outside of the lines, either at the top or at the bottom. So while it's inside, it keeps you patient, it keeps you disciplined, it keeps you waiting. Because a big tip I'll give you is one of the biggest reasons why retail traders fail is because they overtrade, they take way too many trades. Okay, and that's because they don't have a system that keeps them out of the market. So the beauty about this system is that it actually keeps you out of the market, and you only take setups when the price comes outside of the indicator and it actually gives you the signal. Okay, so I only look to catch 1 or 2 setups per week. This was the setup that I took. I'm not going to trade tomorrow, which is Friday. Today's Thursday. I'm not going to trade tomorrow. What you need to do is take your money and run out of the market each week, catch 1 or 2 good trades, as I say, and then pull out. All right, it's all about quality and not quantity. Even though I'm trading with a very potent system here, I'm only taking 1 or 2 profitable trades per week, and I'm pulling out. This system, let me just repeat, is not 100%. It's about 80 to 90% accurate. Some of these signals will fail. That's why I teach risk to reward. Okay, and I focus on that and my risk, keeping my risk low every trade. So I'm not risking like 10% per trade, 20% per trade like crazy traders do who blow their accounts. At the most, I'm risking 2% per trade, and that's what I teach, in order for you to not get all emotional and all like go on tilt and get all wound up when you take a loss. Okay, but this system is potent, 80 to 90% accuracy. If you're disciplined and you stick with it, you will be successful with it. That's all explained in the program. Plus, with the program, you get 6-month guidance and support from me. I help you, set up your charts. If all that is explained in the program, but if you need any sort of help, I am there for you. And for 6 months, I help you with your trading psychology and your risk management, and show you how to find the best setups, with the system and all that. And anytime you need to chat, I'm there for you one-on-one on Telegram. I don't have a community or a group because that is a big distraction. I prefer people to have one-on-one contact with me so that there's no outside influence from any other traders or anything like that. Because I was in a group at one stage and I left it because it was super distracting. I learned that very quickly in my early days of trading. I've been doing this for nearly 8 years now. So another thing is, I didn't record this trade live. That was because, to be honest, guys, it's not a good thing to record your trades live. I will do one possibly next week or the week after. If you go back on my channel, you'll see there are a lot of live trades recorded on live accounts. You'll see them. I will do it for you guys on my live account as well. I just don't like to do it, and I recommend that you don't do it because it's very distracting and you need to focus when you are trading. So guys, if you are interested in improving your trading, add me on Telegram and start chatting to me. The link is down below. Hope this helped you out, guys. Just a little bit to learn from this setup. Catch you in the next one, guys. Peace.